Caliphate. At some point, we don't know exactly when or how, she split herself into three separate, distinct entities. Three women, all named Sunbringer, each one governing a different piece of Rose Khalifa's power structure. And their names, they are not random. First, Eldreda. She runs the Administrative Affairs Department. Her name comes from an Old English, Eldred, meaning Old Council, or Great in Council. She is the administrator, the governance arm, the one who keeps Rose Khalifa running as a society. Second, Lindvern. She leads the Airspace Patrol Department. Her name traces back to Lindworm, a serpentine creature from European folklore. She is the guardian, the enforcer of the skies. If Rose Khalifa is a floating city, she is the reason nothing hostile gets near it. And third, Drakane. She oversees the Central Computing Department. Her name comes from the ancient Greek Drakena, which means female dragon. She's the mind, the technology, the data. Given that New Eridu's prosperity has been connected to a hidden data source tied to the celestial nexus in Rose Khalifa, this is probably the most critical department of all. Council, defense, computing. Three pillars of power. Three pieces of one person.